Hey there! Today I have a Wantable unboxing for you. So if you're not familiar with Wantable, it is another one of those styling services very similar to Stitch Fix, where you have a personal stylist select 5 items of clothing based on a styles profile that you complete online. But with Wantable, you have 5 days to decide what to keep. And also, if you do keep all 5 items, you get a 20% discount. I haven't done Wantable for kind of a long time, but I decided to do it now because I had a $25 credit. So one of you signed up, so I really do appreciate it. Also, they had a special promotion on their website where they were giving a $25 credit. So I thought, okay, if I have $50 to play with, that'll probably get me at least one thing. So I decided to order another box. But anyway, let's see what I got. Okay, so here is what the box looks like inside. And there's a big packet of information. And it says living life more beautifully. Okay, here is my bundle. Here's the other side. So yeah, honestly, it looks pretty good. I see some floral and some denim. Yeah. One thing about Wantable I've noticed, it's a little more expensive, I think, than Stitch Fix. That's why, for me, I don't always do Wantable. But it does have a prepaid mailer, so shipping is free both ways. Kaya here is very interested. And it says, your closet is going to thank you. What is this? So there is a note from my stylist, and my stylist this month is Ellen. So yeah, this looks actually very promising. There's a lot more print than in previous ones, because I did mention, I think in my note, that I liked florals. So yeah, let's see what we got. So the first item in my box, okay, it's a pair of black pants. And these are by Supply and Demand, size 6. And the retail on this is $68. These actually look kind of big. So we'll see. I mean, I do have kind of a lot of black pants already. But yeah, we'll see how these look. Okay, next I got, it looks like a camo t-shirt. Here it is. And this is by Z Supply. This is cute, but you know, I just have a camo t-shirt that I got from Ross for $8. And this is $38. So $38, it's a cute camo. It has a very deep V. And I think it's a size medium. Yeah, size medium. It's very soft. Okay, next. Okay, this is cute. It's a top. And it's floral, yay. By KENSIE, size medium. And it's the water floral top, and it's $69. That's a lot for a top, actually, but it is cute. And then next, it's another top, very cute, and this is by Liz, and this is, okay, size medium. It's the mixed media top with navy and white stripes, I guess, and it's $45. Well, this is actually really cute. So this is $45. So yeah, this is cute. I like it. Okay, next. Okay, this is a dress. It's a shirt dress, it looks like, and it's by Bill. Is that right? Bill, New York. And size medium. It's the Riley printed dress in black, and it's $68. I think it's 68. Yeah, 68. Okay. Not bad. I think it's cute. Okay, next. Okay, it's another shirt. It's by Wantable, size medium. And it's the short sleeve baby doll tee in burgundy. And it's $54. Wow, $54 for this t-shirt. Seems kind of high. And it's just got a peplum. It's cute though. I guess this is long enough probably to wear with leggings. But yeah, cute. Everything so far is very cute. It's kind of coordinated. And I don't know if it's supposed to be like mix and match. But yeah. And lastly, okay, a pair of jeans. And these are by KENSIE. Size 6. That's my size. And these are the high-rise ankle biter. Is that biter? In Panorama. And it's $58. So that's not bad actually for these jeans. I'm kind of impressed that they're only $58. But I do have a lot of jeans already. But I do like jeans, and these are nice and stretchy. So we'll see how these look. They look kind of basic. One thing I've noticed is, and I don't know if anyone else shops at the TJ Maxx or Ross, sometimes you can find KENSIE jeans. And I know I've seen them at TJ for sure, and you can get them for like $20 or less. But we'll see. Okay, so that was everything I got in my Wantable box this month. So now I'm gonna go and try everything on, and we'll see how it looks. Okay, here is the black pants. And these actually fit really nicely. They're trouser pants. So they're not pull-on. Have front pockets. The length is just perfect, I think. I don't know if they look a little bit baggy. And they feel like they're kind of a polyester blend, or maybe they're just polyester. But yeah, they're very nice. They have a nice look to them. They definitely are dress pants. And I have it paired with this black floral top. And it is very cute. Kind of expensive though. I think this was KENSIE. But yeah, I mean, it's okay. It's a cute outfit. Okay, so here is the mixed media t-shirt top. And I also have the KENSIE jeans. You can see these. So these skinny jeans actually look pretty nice and they fit well. But I have a ton of jeans already, so I don't know if I really need it. And I really do like this top. It's cute. My daughter likes it, yeah?
Ooh!
Yeah, it's cute. I like it. So we'll see. I'm not sure. Not bad. Okay, so here is the Wantable baby doll top. And yeah, this is actually really cute. I don't know though. I mean, I think it's like $54. That does seem kind of high for that. And I like the color though. It's pretty. I don't know if it looks like something you could probably pick up at Target though. And then I noticed the edge on the bottom, it's unfinished. So I don't know how that's gonna go. But it is really cute. It's flowy, which is kind of like my thing. And I like it, but I don't like the price. But it's cute. Okay, and here is the Camo t-shirt. It's pretty long, so you could actually wear this with leggings. I don't know if it's too big for me. It is a medium, and you'll see how it's very low. And I actually do have a camo t-shirt that I got from Ross that kind of looks kind of similar, but I might actually like that one better. But yeah, it's cute. I don't know. Okay, so here is the dress, and it is cute. I mean, I like it. But I don't know, it's a little bit, I think, thin, so the material is a little sheer, I can tell. I mean, it's not bad. So yeah, I think it's cute, it's nice, and definitely something I would wear, and I like the print, but yeah, I don't know, I'm a maybe on this one, but it is cute. Okay, so I tried everything on, and now let's go over everything. So I would say overall, you know, not bad. I really liked her color palette. You know, I thought everything kind of coordinated nicely. I like where she was going with, you know, the black, red, and, you know, the denims. So I thought it was nice, actually, and kind of well thought out. And everything did look, I thought, good. The only thing was like the price. So the total for this box, I need reading glasses, sorry, is $400 if I were to buy all 7 items. And I do have that $25 promo credit. And if I were to buy at least 5 items, you get 20% off. So on the 7, it would be $80 off. And I had also a $25 referral credit. So my total, if I bought the entire box, would be $270. Yeah, but I don't think I'll really be buying all 7 items. Maybe 1 or 2 items, but we'll see. Overall though, I kind of like this blouse. This is the KENSIE top. I thought it was a little big, and I thought $69 is kind of high. I know this brand, you know, they carry it at a lot of different places. So I liked it, but maybe I'll look for it at a cheaper price. This top was really, really cute on. but I'm kind of worried about this unfinished edge, and it was like $54 for this, so I thought that was a bit pricey. This top was really cute, so I'm really thinking about this. I like this. I like the fabric. You see it's kind of textured, and it was $45, so that's not too bad. Still not cheap, but yeah, this was kind of different. The dress was pretty. I really liked the print. I mean, it's kind of similar to this one, sort of. It's just that it was kind of thin and sheer, and it's not lined, so I wouldn't want to have to wear like a slip or something under it. So yeah, and for $68, I didn't think I'd want to pay that for this. The camo t-shirt, not bad for $38, but it was, you know, definitely too big. I probably have to size down, and I already have a very similar camo t-shirt that I got from Ross for $8, so I would say this is a pass. Yeah, not sure about the jeans. I really actually like these jeans, and they fit nicely. The length wasn't too bad. I don't think I'd have to hem them. And I like that they're high-rise. I thought they were pretty flattering, so I'm thinking about keeping these. And they were $58, which isn't too bad. And remember, I do have the credit, so $8. So we'll see. Okay, and I almost forgot the trouser pants. These were actually really nice pants, you know, and it might be kind of a practical buy. They don't have any stretch or elastic or anything like that, but I thought they were pretty nice. And they were by Supply and Demand. And what are these? These are 71% polyester, 25% rayon, 4% spandex, and made in USA. It says hand wash, cold, line dry. It looks like nice pants that probably won't require any ironing because it's a poly blend. And yeah, so just very basic. So I'm kind of thinking about these. They were a little pricey. I think they were $68, but yeah, we'll see. But anyway, that's all I have for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I do a lot of shopping hauls and unboxing videos, and I do have another Amazon Prime wardrobe box coming up sometime soon. I ordered one recently. Also have, you know, my monthly Stitch Fix. So if you enjoy watching those kind of videos, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you next time. Bye now.